Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to anontechtube. Today I am going to talk about how to download and install Flowblade video editor software on Ubuntu. It's free and open source video editor for Linux operating system. The installation process also will work on any Debian based Linux operating system such as Kali Linux, Parrot, Raspberry Pi and more. Okay guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Okay, first of all, open the terminal. Now type sudo apt install flowblade and press enter. Type the administrator password and press enter. Here type Y and press enter to continue. It will download and install the Flowblade video editor software with all requirement tools and packages for the software in your machine, and it will take 10 to 20 minutes depend on your internet speed. Okay, after successfully completed, simply close the terminal. Now go to application menu. Here you can see the Flowblade video editor software. Simply open it. Welcome to Flowblade. Select the workflow preset. Standard, film style or keep existing workflow. I am going to select the film style one. Then simply click on select preset workflow and continue. Alright, here is the interface of the Flowblade video editor software. Now you can open or start a new video project. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope the video was very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.